Long before modern government structures existed, the Igbo people had their own system of governance. Umunna, the extended family that cared for its own. Today, the same spirit is building modern Anambra. In towns and villages, community associations take on roles the government cannot always reach: constructing roads, clearing refuse, and keeping neighborhoods clean and organized. In Nneni, Nimo, Adazi, and across Nnewi, the story is the same. Where the Umunna is strong, development thrives. Clean streets, neat compounds, community-built schools. These are signs of people who understand that progress begins at home. This deep sense of belonging is why Anambra continues to shine, because its people have never waited for help. They create it. The spirit of Umunna is more than tradition. It's the foundation of self-driven development. In Anambra, the old and new meet, proving that communal strength still builds modern cities.